So Matt here with 911R. I'm driving a 2021 Aston Martin Vantage. Very special one because it has a 7-speed manual transmission. They only built 400 cars over the whole production lifespan of the Vantage, of this Vantage, with the manual transmission. 100 of those went into the 007 Special Edition Bond cars. 2021 was the last year that you could get the 7-speed manual transmission. So again, very, very rare. So there's probably only 50, 60 ever were built in 21. So that makes this, again, extremely special. This car has 2,500 miles on it from new. It's really in perfect condition. The car has had a few special touches added to it. You'll see the orange stripes in the seats, this square style carbon fiber steering wheel with the orange center indicator on it. It has a matte black stripe on the hood and the tail. It looks really sharp and menacing. Just a great car to drive. Very, very tight, very performance oriented. It's just, it's a joy. I always say Aston Martins are probably one of the prettiest cars ever built by any designer. And this one definitely lives up to that. These cars have a twin-turbo V8 motor in it with 503 horsepower, about the same amount of torque. They're sourced from Mercedes, so you're getting the Mercedes AMG motors, what you're getting. Like similar to what's in the SL Mercedes, the Hot Rod GT package. And this car, I think, feels much better than the Mercedes. It has the Skyhook adjustable suspension. You can adjust it on the steering wheel with this button over here, or it's also automatic dampening for depending on how hard you get on the car. I personally haven't tracked one of these, but I'm told they are fabulous on the track. The balance, the big brakes, the great Mercedes V8 twin turbo motor really makes it rip. Come down here, go a little more, but yeah, this thing's just clawing to grip the ground. It's just pulls sweet. Very, very precise feeling on the steering, the brakes, just all the turn in. Also, a lot of modern sports cars, you get in them and the visibility is really bad. This car, visibility is killer. Big mirrors, easy to see around, good rear view mirroring, see clearly out it. Nice, front windscreen. It's really a comfortable car to drive and not be worried about, not being able to see the corners and people around you. The trim work on the inside is so much better than early Aston Martin. Early Aston Martins were always, very much a cottage car company build quality, in my opinion. But this one, all the leather and the fit and finish on it is just absolutely fabulous. But yeah, this car just is tight, no rattles, very precise, and driving a manual, high-end sports car is always the way to go, especially with how the market is going, and with everybody wanting to buy anything that was manual from the years past, because they're just all going away. The manufacturers just aren't building them. So again, makes this car something that's ultra desirable. This has the Aston Martin high-end stereo system, has a really nice nav screen that you can control your climate control, your air distribution, your navigation, just all the attributes of the car. Yeah, this is just great little growl to the exhaust. We've got the car on an internal mic and external mic, so you'll hear how it sounds on both views. It's just, again, like I say, precise and clean and fun to drive. So if you have any questions about this Aston Martin, please use the contact seller button and we'll get right back to you, or make a comment in the auction. Also, if you're ever interested in 911R selling a car for you, let us know, and we'd be happy to work with you. We work with people all over the world. So thank you very much.